Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on your device location and opening Google Maps. This is essential because Maps needs live coordinates. Once done, sign into your Google account if prompted so your preferences and accuracy improvements apply. Make sure to grant Maps permission to access location, choosing while using the app or always for continuous access. This step lets Maps use GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell data together. It's the only reliable way to fetch your current coordinates immediately. You now center the map by tapping the blue target icon at the bottom right. That tells Maps to lock onto your position. Wait a second or two while the blue dot and the surrounding accuracy circle shrink. That indicates GPS and sensor fusion refining your location. If you need visual context, switch to satellite or terrain. These layers help you identify landmarks. Remember, clear sky and fewer buildings speed up GPS. Indoors, Wi-Fi improves positioning, so move near a window if accuracy lags. You finish by tapping the blue dot to reveal your precise address and coordinates, then choose Share to send or Save to bookmark the spot. If you need directions, tap Directions and pick your transport mode. If you need exact range, use Measure Distance. If Maps doesn't update, toggle Location off and on, enable High Accuracy, GPS plus Wi-Fi plus cell, and restart Maps. That often fixes stale positioning. If problems persist, reboot the device. This resets sensors and usually restores the only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.